Welcome to Nasdaq TradeTalks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. Joining us for this segment, we have Greg Williams, co-founder, chairman, and CEO of Acrisure, to discuss how a brand from the legacy insurance industry is doubling down on its fintech focus. Greg, it's great to have you with us. Welcome to Trade Talks.
Thanks, Jill. Nice to be here.
You got it. And tell us about Acrisure's transformation announcement. What does it mean for the company, as well as the strategy behind the decision?
Well, it's a big time as you think about our business and the growth. We've grown from 38 million of revenue to over 4.2 billion in less than 10 years. And in spite of that growth, in spite of that success, we really felt like this was the right time to pivot into something that was rather obvious to us. As you look at the data analytics and the information we have about our client base, which is mostly small to middle market, and from a client perspective, the client focus and understanding of our clients' needs was rather obvious that we needed to be more client focused versus product focused. And so getting organized around that in terms of forming platforms, branding, and operating out of the Acrisure brand and under the Acrisure flag is something that we've never done, in spite of doing 800 acquisitions in the last 10 years. And so all that came together in terms of what was an obvious strategy to us, because of the insight, the data analytics, and the insight we had to our clients and their needs. And again, the broad service offering, product and service offering that really we should be bringing to our clients. Hence, again, the client focus versus product focus, as we do understand what those needs are.
Greg, tell us more about Acrisure's technology and AI strategy.
Well, this really started for us. I know AI is kind of a buzzword in some cases, near ChatGPT and everything else everywhere you turn. But for us, this really started, the journey started in 2017. We started investing heavily from a data analytics perspective in 17. Actually did a joint venture with an AI firm in 2019, purchased the joint venture interest of that AI firm in 2020. So AI for us, I mean, to me, there's a difference between AI and automation. And so we've been leaning heavily into artificial intelligence since 2020. And it's candidly changed everything that we've done. It informs and impacts every facet of our business, from our sales, our go-to-market strategies and our sales function, to our back office functions, the things that we, again, insights and understanding of what our clients are likely to need, predictive modeling of what our clients want and need, and have those insights, again, are all largely informed through the AI platforms that we started investing heavily in 3 years ago.
And it's interesting, you keep bringing up the theme of doing what the clients need versus telling them what products they need, which really is a key theme in what's happening with fintech overall. What are your overall thoughts on the current fintech landscape?
Well, I'm biased, as you'd expect, but at the end of the day, again, we look at it and say, we have 1.3 million clients that fit in that small to middle market category. So 70% of our clients have fewer than 25 employees. And so if you look at what they need and compare their needs are compared to, say, a Fortune 200, they're vastly different. And the decision makers tend to be one or two people instead of across a big organization. You've got committees involved in decisions about product and service offerings that they're going to participate or get from third parties. And so this was set up nicely. The insights that we have in terms of data, I mean, our predictive modeling comes out and says, look, this is the profile of a client that needs payroll. They need payment processing. They'll certainly need insurance. They'll need cybersecurity. In some cases, their employee base is suited to have mortgages or mortgage origination. So we just simply have matched and aligned the product and service offering that we're going to bring to what our clients' needs are. And what I see, and you use that in reference to the kind of fintech world as a whole, I don't see a lot of people focusing on the clients the way that we have. They are focused on what they're equipped to sell. And from our standpoint is, let's stop focusing on what we're equipped to sell and completely align around what the client's needs are. And again, we got the insights and the information to know what those are. So for us, this is a rather obvious and an easy strategy. It's not easy to go implement and execute on, but it's easy to see what's out there in terms of opportunity.
All right, Greg, we appreciate the insight. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.
Thanks, Jill.